harnessing the power of drones. India is moving towards global leadership in drone technology by embedding innovation into the fabric of manufacturing and providing a supportive ecosystem. In the intricate dance of innovation and industry, drones have emerged as pivotal players, orchestrating a new era of technological prowess and manufacturing agility in India. The Atmanirbhar Bharat Initiative, a visionary endeavor to cultivate self-reliance, finds a robust ally in the drone industry, setting the stage for a transformative journey towards global manufacturing leadership. This article delves into the nuanced relationship between drones and India's manufacturing sector, exploring how these aerial innovators are not just tools of convenience, but strategic assets to usher in an era of India's emergence as a global manufacturing hub in new age emerging technologies. Self-reliance in drone technologies is also turning out to be a critical strategic requirement from a national security perspective, as seen in the recent Russian-Ukrainian and Israeli-Hamas wars. The metamorphosis of India's drone industry is a narrative of strategic innovation and technological foresight beyond their military advantages. Drones have seamlessly integrated into diverse sectors, from precision agriculture and critical infrastructure surveillance to logistics and disaster management. This multifaceted applicability has ignited a manufacturing revolution demanding precision, agility, and innovation. The drone industry has the potential to position India as a global manufacturing hub by leveraging recent geopolitical divisions and shifts that they've emerged in recent times. The consolidation of various nations on either side of the NATO-Russo divide, with India leading, emerging as a front runner for the global south, coupled with the discretion of China, is a huge opportunity for US to emerge as a global manufacturing hub for drones and other fifth-generation technologies. The innovation vortex catalyzing next-gen manufacturing. India's manufacturing sector stands at the cusp of transformation, with innovation serving as central force. The development of advanced motherboards and computing architectures tailored for fifth-generation devices is not just a technological leap, but a strategic necessity. It demands a design belief that goes beyond aesthetics, delving into the realms of functionality and flawless performance. This end-to-end control of technology, from conception to delivery, is non-negotiable for ensuring product excellence and reliability. The innovation of disseminated parallel control computing in real time is the first ever game-changing Atmanirbhar computing architecture that provides a robust foundation for the development of future-ready devices. This innovative approach to computing architecture ensures that India's drone industry is not just keeping pace with global trends, but is poised to set new benchmarks in technological excellence.